Live, local, late breaking. From the WHIO Broadcast Center in Dayton, this is News Center 7.
Today we heard from a woman hoping her mom's killer does not get a new trial. A Greene County jury convicted David Lee Myers for the 1988 murder. News Center 7's Mike Campbell listened to arguments today, and Myers got off death row after the Innocence Project got involved with his case.
But just, left me feeling lost and just fighting for justice for my mom, which I never thought that I would have to do. Not 37 years later, for sure.
Sarah Sparkman was just 8 months old when her mother, Amanda Mayer, was killed in a highly publicized case. Police discovered Mayer along tracks in Xenia with a railroad spike through her head. They arrested David Lee Myers, the last person seen with her, and later found Mayer's wallet in his car. A jury convicted Myers and sentenced him to the death penalty. But Innocence Project lawyers claimed there was never before tested DNA on a rock found on Mayer's body and on the handle of the railroad spike. They said their private lab's testing excluded Myers as the source of that DNA.
Because a strong probability exists that a jury would reach a different verdict if a new trial was held.
Prosecutors said that BCI and state-approved labs wouldn't test the minute amount of DNA evidence uncovered on those items because it wouldn't yield reliable results. They asked a 3-judge panel to overturn the visiting judge's order for a new trial and send Myers, who was in the courtroom, back to prison.
The jury got it right in 1996, and there's no reason to fix what wasn't broken.
Sarah Sparkman believes Myers should still be on death row, but even if he's granted a new trial, he's still accused of murder, and she doesn't understand why that visiting judge let him out.
That's not safe. That's not a smart decision.
And that was Mike Campbell reporting. Now here is what's next. The 3-judge panel from the 2nd District Court of Appeals will consider the lawyers' arguments from today, as well as written arguments they filed with the courts. Then at some point, they will have a written decision. That will either mean a different appeal or a new trial.